Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Oppo A54 4G with a broken power button, and let's go find out what we can do about it. So here we have this A54 4G. The display is quite tattered, it's scratched up, it's dinged up, the sides are all scratched up. It's an old phone, but it still works. The only problem the client of ours have is the power button is stuck, and I think we can help with that problem by cleaning out the internal components, especially the bottom areas. So we're going to remove this plastic back cover. This is made of plastic. It's flexible. You can bend it quite a bit without any risk of damaging the paint, because there's no paint, it's just color on the plastic. This is a budget phone, so we expect that the build quality is made up of lots of plastic, but very high quality plastic. One of the main benefits of using this material for back cover is when you drop it, it doesn't break. Unlike your iPhones without any case, when you drop a bare iPhone, you can crack the back cover, which is made up of glass. It's fancy, it's good to the touch when you hold it, but it's not a very robust material in the long term. We have removed the back cover. We are gonna put the smartphone on the table. We're gonna remove some screws and remove the cover. The cover for this one is like a shroud, so the back cover also covers the sides. This is very typical for a budget smartphone. We are also gonna be very careful in removing this part because the display is still okay, so we don't want to crack the display in the process of removing the back cover. We're gonna pry it from the sides. You can see here it also bends. It's also a plastic material. We will notice later that on the power button area there's a crack on the housing, which is not really our main concern, but the gunk that is built up on the power button. Accidentally, we have turned on the smartphone. I'm going to take you through the process. So David is evaluating if there are connectors attached to the back cover before he can yank it out. The smartphone is now ready. Still turns on despite us mutilating it and hacking away. I think the power button is also the fingerprint scanner. Yep, that's right. I'm gonna be very careful. Only the bottom corners now. You can see the cracks on the power button for the housing. Yep. And buttons are also flying out. It's quite sticky. David is gonna rip this apart. Firm, but not really too much to damage this piece of plastic. Everything's okay. This is the button for the power button, the connector for the power button, I mean. And there you go. I'm gonna pull this out and see what we can do. We can order a replacement part, but David here will just clean it out. The buttons, the button that actuates the command to unlock or power on the device is impeded by gunk buildup, so we're just gonna brush it out, clean it up, and of course the housing as well. This is very typical when you use your phone every day. You build up a lot of dirt, especially in the charging port, the buttons, This is normal. Just don't let water get into those parts, because that's when real issues come up. You still access the power button. I think the main issue for this one is the actuation of the button and the fingerprint scanner. I think we have cleaned up this A54 quite well, so we're gonna reinstall the power button and reassemble everything. We're just gonna reverse the process. And if you have any concerns on your Oppo smartphones, if you have an iPhone, if you have a Galaxy smartphone, don't hesitate to visit Sydney CBD Repair Center. David here will try to fix your phone, and he will also give you a free quote on what service you can have, what parts are available. And if you're not from Sydney, you can message him through Facebook or Instagram. You can also call us on the phone that we leave at the end of each video. And you can also mail in your smartphone if you're inclined to do so. We'll fix your smartphone here in the shop and mail it back to you. And that's a very convenient if you're out of Australia or just out of Sydney. There's a lot of screws here, so we're just gonna make sure that they're all tight. And let's try. There you go. No more issues. Power long press the power button. Initiates the shutdown restart menu. I'm gonna put back the back cover with our fresh layer of adhesive. And that's it. A budget smartphone is fixed and ready to rock again. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?